Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kinzey Rae. So I got a lot of requests after I posted my passion twist video to show the takedown method and how I get the twists out after crocheting them in. So this is just a little quick video on how I take the passion twist out. Taking them out was not hard at all. It literally took me like 2 seconds to take each one of them out. So we're just gonna start. I started off with like a small section, and I'm going to start off with this one right here, and basically I'm just taking it and breaking the twist apart first, and just gonna continue unraveling it until I get to the top of the twist. So I really tried to get a good angle for y'all. I really hope you can see what I'm doing. Basically all I did was stick my my fingernail under the little knot where the twist began and literally just pulled it straight out. It's literally that easy. So I'm gonna do it again with another twist, and this is how my hair came out of the twist. No tangles, no knots, no anything. And I'm just cutting the rubber band off of my hair, and that's how my hair looks. No tangles, nothing, girl. So we're gonna do it with another one, and this time I'm gonna show you. You can just like cut it with scissors and do the same process. Now a few of them you may have to kind of tug on a little bit, but for the most part all of them came out really easy. For this one I kind of had to pull on both sides until I kind of felt which way the twist wanted to go in terms of like pulling it out. So yeah, it's really easy. It's not gonna get stuck in your hair. I was a little worried when I first did this style too, but it is so easy to take out. So yeah, once you find the way that the twist wants to go, then you just pull it out. Then I'm just doing the same steps, and I got a couple questions about the maintenance and how long the twist lasted, how they held up, you know, all of that good stuff. So pretty much I kept the twist in for about a month, and honestly, ooh, y'all don't mind that gel buildup. My hair need to be washed. But basically I kept the twist in for a month, and I honestly could have kept them in longer than that, but I get over my hair real fast. So after a month I was like, all right, I'm done. But a few tips that I would say: make sure you tie your hair up at night, because that's one thing I wasn't doing, and I feel like that caused a little bit of frizziness with my hair. Like my hair being wrapped up in a twist, not tying them up kind of made my hair try to break free a little bit. So yeah, I suggest tying them up good at night, and also when you get in the shower, make sure you tie it up, because the humidity from the water will kind of make your hair frizz up a little bit, especially if you have like natural hair. So yeah, tie it up at night, tie it up when you get in the shower. Try not to put too much gel so you won't have as much buildup as I did. But overall, these twists, I freaking love them. They were really easy to put in, easy to take out, they're easy to maintain. So yeah, I would definitely do these twists again. And if there are any more questions that you guys have about these twists, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to answer them for you. And also, if you guys like this little mini passion twist series, just comment below some other styles that you guys kind of want me to do like a little series on, and I'll definitely do that for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.